Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And in this unboxing video, we are going to be unboxing none other than Florida frickin' 1. So, I just got this model yesterday. It's a surprise model. Without further ado, let's unbox it. It's, of course, a Southwest. They have it, your white box, Florida 1. Gemini Jets. Made for collectors by collectors. Southwest Sun 37-700. Yep, the sides. There's the back of the box. It's a 2020, the world's worst year. Release. It won't focus. I'm not dealing with it today, but I hope you guys like this new software. It's got a little more transitions and stuff. And let's get this open. Ooh, it looks so good. That is Florida 1 right there. Please don't be broken. 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 It's not broken! Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. But there is the model. Looking good. Looking pristine. But now since I upgraded my... But that's the model. Looks good. My dad's friend, he's the Southwest pilot, and he's actually flown Florida 1, which is pretty cool. But he's a 700 captain. But yeah, guys, I think that'll do it for this video. Please stay tuned for more trip reports, because now I can start producing trip reports on a much greater scale. Because of the new software. And yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Everyone stop!